Luxury on a budget? Can you crack the code to hack the high fees? US Bank Altitude Reserve versus Amex Platinum. A challenge to finding the best platinum credit card. Although it is not as well known as some other premium travel credit cards, the US Bank Altitude TM Reserve Visa Infinite card is nevertheless a strong candidate because of its generous rewards and benefits despite a high annual fee. This card is in competition with high-end travel cards like the Capital One Venture X Rewards credit card, the American Express Platinum card, and the Chase Sapphire Reserve. The costs for each of them are $395, $695, and $550 annually. What does the Amex Platinum card have in store for us? By name and color, the American Express Platinum card may give the impression that it is just for IT CEOs, real estate magnate heirs, and oil tycoons. That isn't always accurate. Although thrifty shoppers and low-budget vacationers may find this card unsuitable, don't dismiss it too quickly before learning more about its benefits. This card could be a good choice for you if you're a traveler who likes to move around in luxury, prioritizes convenience above cost, and doesn't mind shelling out a sizable annual fee when it makes sense. It's a good option for a high-end general travel credit card. The card offers a sizable travel credit and substantial benefits. If you feel at ease making payments using a mobile wallet like Apple Pay or Google Pay, it's even better than your regular credit card. The major headaches are here. Yes, the application fee. Watch out. The US Bank Altitude Reserve Visa Infinite credit card has a $400 price tag. The fee-averse will probably not be attracted to this, but you can make up for the expense with a sizable statement credit, whereas the Amex Platinum credit card has a price tag of $695. The majority of users won't be able to earn enough points in a year to pay for this. With this card, you may get an annual statement credit of $325 to use for travel and eating expenses. Expert travelers who understand that they would utilize the whole credit on their card will calculate the cost of the card as the $325 credit less the yearly change. The credit is immediately applied to restaurant purchases and direct expenditures made with airlines, hotels, vehicle rental agencies, taxis, limos, passenger trains, and cruise line businesses, among other travel providers. Consequently, if you use the card to pay $425 for a round-trip domestic ticket at American Airlines, $325 of that total will be practically deducted from your account by the travel credit, leaving you to pay a net price of $100 for the ticket. But when you sign up for the Amex card, you can choose one airline each year to earn an airline fee credit of up to $200 from a list of approved partners. Charges such as baggage fees, guest tickets to the airport lounge, and in-flight refreshments are often covered by the credit. You can get statement credits of up to $200 annually to offset these expenditures if you make prepaid bookings for the hotel collection, 2-night minimum needed, Find Hotels Plus Resorts, or the hotel collection through the American Express travel site. When you use your card to pay for a clear membership, you can pay the entire amount due. You can earn serious points using both the US Bank Altitude Reserve and the Amex Platinum credit cards. Let's check them one by one. 5 points per dollar spent on prepaid hotels and car rentals booked directly in the Altitude Reward Center. 3 points per dollar spent on eligible travel and mobile wallet spending. 1 point per dollar spent on everything else. The currency used to gain rewards is US Bank points. When points are redeemed for travel-related purchases like airline tickets and hotel stays via the US Bank online site, each point is worth 1.5 cents. It's important to note this high redemption rate. This implies that if you use US Bank to redeem the points for travel, you will receive 1.5 times the value of every dollar you spend in the bonus categories. The US Bank Altitude Reserve Visa Infinite card offers an extensive range of features similar to many other high-end travel cards, many of which can be quite helpful to young travelers. A 12-month priority pass, choose from more than 1,200 airport lounges throughout the globe, TSA PreCheck or global entry statement credit that can return up to $100 of the application cost every 4 years, Visa Unlimited benefits, and there are no costs for international transactions. If you're planning a trip, using American Express Travel to book your accommodations may be quite profitable. When you make reservations using this gateway, you'll earn 2 points for every other permissible travel costs and 5 points for hotels and airfares. Additionally, when you purchase flights directly with airlines, you'll receive 5 points for every $1. Each dollar spent on other items earns 1 point. So, which of them are you rooting for? Give it a thorough check and start using it. Subscribe to our channel for more information.